Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design. Greetings folks, Joseph Kursky here with Map Tie-On, welcoming you to week 7 of our Cartographic Design course. This week we are going to have readings and videos about thematic maps, maps of a theme, transportation, crime, health, ecoregions, population change, energy, water, etc. Think outside the box. I'm going to have certain things that you look at in terms of themes, but think about if that theme is not your main area of interest, think about the techniques that you're using. You can apply to any theme. So thematic maps. Bound up in thematic mapping is Choropleth Maps. You've seen Choropleth Maps probably every day of your life. Choropleth Maps have been used to effectively communicate certain variables across space and time. So it's important as a cartographer that you develop your cartographic skills in creating these Choropleth maps. Also important nowadays in our web-based GIS-enabled cartography world is the ability to not just map one variable but bivariate mapping, so 2 variables, and multivariate mapping, more than 2 variables. Now you got to think about your audience. Keep in mind your audience. Are they going to be able to interpret if you've got 5 variables that you're mapping all at once? So we're going to keep that in mind as we move forward. But it's fascinating to be able to make maps of multiple variables. Why? Because we want to understand the relationship, the trends, the patterns in our world to make more effective decisions. That's our whole goal in cartography, remember? And finally, since cartography is so bound up in infographics and diagrams and so on, we're going to dip a toe into those waters this week. You're going to be asked in your cartographic career not just to make a single map, but more often going forward, a web mapping application that includes multiple kinds of visualizations. So those are our readings and videos for this week. Now folks, in our hands-on activities, I'm going to have you dip some toes into the waters of creating maps with ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Pro. They both have lots of capability, but beginning this week in our hands-on activity, it's going to be ArcGIS Online looking at tornadoes. Again, I want you to think outside the box. If natural hazards isn't your main area of interest, no worries, mate. Think about other themes that you can analyze and represent with these tools and capabilities that you're learning about. So we're going to look at USA tornadoes, which is a fascinating set of data. And then we're going to get into ArcGIS Pro that has even more capabilities for you to represent things cartographically. And we're going to look at you creating a map of Singapore places of interest, sort of a tourism map, but you're going to be able to develop your cartographic skills there. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it valuable, and we'll see you in week 7. I'm going to the field, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm a-going to the field, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to collect some data in citizen science mode. Okay, we'll see you in week 7. Thanks.